In a P3 preset, we add filters. Filters category. You can add a blur on your image. You can increase or decrease the level of the blur. Remove that. Or you can add a color depth. When you decrease the color depth, it shows like this. Actually, it changed the number of the color used in this image. For example, if you increase the number, it's going to the original image. You can. In the edge detection, it converts the image like a bump and normal map. It's feel like 3D image. You can see. And the emboss is like that, but it's more smooth. It feels like 3D, but without any color. And you can add Gaussian blur. It's like blur, glow it. The glow is a border effect around the image. You can increase the size or strength. Which color do you want? Use gradient. Here you can use any gradient in a glow effect. Or change the offset. Click on this arrow and you can offset in X and Y for changing the offset in the borders. Another filter is mean removal. It's actually for denoising some images for more smooth image. Pixelate acts like as pixel mode in the image. You can change the size of the pixels. And reflection, cause this effect looks like the image on the surface of the water, and the reflection occur here. Beautiful. The RGB split is interesting. You can actually make a 3D image. This effect shift the offset or shift the red, green, and blue from each other and makes feel 3D image. You can, when you want to, for example, feel this flower are close to you, you have to use special glasses for seeing that images. This is all technology of 3D images. You can use that. Shadow, it makes a shadow at the border of the image. You can add this. You can increase size. You can change opacity, darkness, color, or offset, the Y and X axis. And the sharpen the color of the image. And the slice, it's cause this effect on your image. Slice your image in different heights, mean and max heights with a random. You can slice a minimum height 10 pixel or 100 pixel height, or mean and max slice shift. You can, for example, increase that number more, shifting the slice. Another filter is smooth. Click on the image to make it bigger, and you can see the little smoothing happen here. Click on it to back. Another effect is torn edge. You can see this effect, torn effect on the edge. You can change the depth of torn, range, or the which part, the which side you want to this torn happen or appear. You can click to remove from the side, click anywhere. As you can see, in these two edges disappear. can click on them to active. Click anywhere in the software to this effect going to the all four corner of your image. Curve edge, you can see these are very smooth and curved. You can turn it to false to be sharpen the edges. Okay, all of these are filter effects.